Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we're going to do a hanging basket tutorial. For this tutorial, we're going to use our weekender hanging baskets, and this is the basin that we plant in, and this sits inside a larger base that holds water, and with these felt wicks, it wicks the water up to the plants as needed, so you can go days and days between watering your baskets. You don't have to water these every day. You just fill up that basin. If it's in full sun, you're good for 3 or 4 days. If it's in part sun or part shade or full shade, you can go like 5 to 7 days between having to fill up that basin, and your plants are happy. So for this mix, we have a really beautiful blend of petunias we're gonna do, and I'll give you a look-see at the colors. So we chose these 3 colors, and I just think that they are so pretty together. This is a peppermint double veranda petunia. So the doubles have all those extra petals, and the peppermint has just this extra really pretty striping in it. And I just think it plays off so nicely with this. This is Color Blitz purple and Color Blitz blue. So the 3 of those together, I think is just stunning. So we're going to plant these in this pot. I've already filled this up and wet it down. I always like to put my slow release fertilizer on top after, just so that I can visually see I've added it. When we add it in the middle here in the garden center, you know, we're like, did we add it? Did we not add it? We can't remember. So we add it to the top, which is totally fine. And I think I'm gonna do 2 of each color of petunia in this. I'll be able to fit those in. This is the peppermint. We'll grab some that have a bloom just so we can see it. So there's a peppermint, and here is another peppermint. So I'm going to plant them on opposite sides, and then same with the other colors. So then these are that beautiful magenta. They're gonna go on opposite sides. And put the blues on opposite sides as well. So I'm just gonna plant these in there. Okay, so we just give this a squeeze, kind of squeeze it, tap it out. These look great. I'm not worried about scrunching them up. I don't think it's necessary. They're gonna take off like wildfire. So I am leaving them away from the edge a little bit. I know that the plants grow better if they're a little bit tighter together in the middle. Sometimes you'll see a hanging basket that splits really hard in the middle. And I think that if the petunias are close, that will help them branch together nicer. So I'm gonna pick the next color. So this is Petunia Color Blitz Ocean Blue. And snug that right in there. Put that one really close. That one's a little dry, so I'll water this really well when I'm done. Now I need another peppermint. There we go. And I need 2 more. Time for that blue. And I have a bit extra soil I'm just gonna put in this pot. And that is gonna be fantastic. I'm gonna give this a really good water now. And then it will just sit right into, this is the basket. So where you see the indents on the bottom, that's where the water is held underneath. And we just drop it in, making sure the wicks go straight down. So when this goes home with someone, they're gonna take this plug on the side, put it in the hole in the bottom, so that will hold water. And like I said, you'll be able to go 3 to 7 days between watering, depending on how sunny of an area this is hanging in. It also comes with a really sturdy metal hanger that swivels. So There we go. Beautiful basket. Thanks, guys.